Hi and welcome to Basics of NLP. So today we'll be working on regular expressions in Google Colab. So this regular expressions we also refer it as Regex, which is also referred as a combination of special characters like smaller case a to smaller case z or uppercase a to uppercase z. It's nothing but ranging from a to z. Okay, ranging from 0 to 9, a dollar symbol, a caret symbol, asterisk, a at symbol. You also have a backslash. You also have a either symbol like true or false, and actually it's referred as a way to describe a pattern. Okay, so since we are going to work on the regular expressions, the library which we have to import is which we refer it as re. What is this re? R is nothing but it's a short form of regular expression. Okay, so what is this? It's a module in a Python which is commonly used for NLP to search patterns in a particular text. Okay, let us come and see into detail. Okay, we have certain functions in uh, regular expression. We have something called match function, search function, find all function, sub and split. Okay, so we will be going through all these functions one by one. Okay, so apart from that, we have some meta characters and we have some pattern matching. So we'll be going through all each one by one. Okay, let us come to this part. Okay, so this is the first function which we refer as match function. What is this match function here? It matches the first occurrence or starting of the given pattern in a string or match a word at the beginning of the string. For example, let us see this. We have a text in the string format like hi, comma, welcome to NLP, and we have the pattern which we refer as hi. Okay, so this is the pattern which we want to find inside the particular find or match inside the particular string. So I have added that in the double quotes. Okay, so I'm trying to print this. I'm trying to print this, and means I'm trying to work on this and try to save it in the variable or the particular word called result. So result equal to re regular expression dot match, and I'm taking the pattern which I want, that is the hi is my pattern here, and text is what is in the given string. So I want to find whether hi is available at the beginning of my particular sentence. So that is what it says. See, it matches the first occurrence or starting of the given pattern in a string. So in this particular string, if you have the first word as hi, then it matches. So you can see here, so when I'm printing the result, so I'm just getting that it matches. Okay, since this output, right? Okay, since this output is an object, okay, so I have taken the same example and I have rewritten it here, but by adding dot group function, that is okay, so that is a group function. So since the previous output is an object, we can use group function to convert it into expression. Since you want the output to be an expression like hi, so I'm adding dot group towards this particular send this function. Okay, okay, so hope this is clear. So for example, if I'm trying to do something with welcome, so I'm changing this to welcome, and now this welcome pattern becomes the second word in this particular string. So you can see here it will throw you an error stating that there is no attribute. Okay, this is because this match function, it matches at the beginning of the particular string. So this welcome is not at the beginning, it is coming next to the first string. So let me do this like this. Okay, so now when this high both of this matches, the result gets printed. Okay, let's come to the next one. Okay, next we have the search function. What is this search function? It finds the occurrence of the given pattern anywhere in a string. Okay, so in the whole string, wherever it finds, wherever the pattern matches the same word inside the particular string, that gets printed. For example, we have hi, welcome to NLP and NLP basics. Here you can see Okay, let us see the pattern. So here the pattern is given as NLP. You can see there are two NLP words available in this particular string. Okay, so we write this to search this. We write result equal to regular expression dot search. So I want to search this pattern inside this string. That's why pattern comma text dot. Since you know why we are adding group, because we wanted that to be in expression form. So I'm trying to print the result and I'm going to get NLP. Okay. Okay. So it finds the NLP here in this particular string. Okay. Let's come here. Okay. I've taken the same text pattern and result. Along with it, I have added a for if condition to check if it's matches or not matches. So I've given it as if result colon. So I'm trying to print that whether NLP is available in this particular string or not. So for that, I have given the first condition as a true condition as matches, and an else part I have given the false condition. So when I try to print, the result is just to show you like what it is. So it will say matches. For example, let us use NL and try to search whether it is available in this particular whole string. Okay, since you have NLP, okay, so even if it's the letters, it will focus onto that. If you have caps N, will also get printed to you. That's why it matches. For example, instead of the uppercase NLP, let me use lowercase NLP and try to find it. This pattern will not match for you because there is no such lowercase NLP in this particular string. Okay, so this is clear. Okay, okay, let's come to the next one. We have done with it. Okay. And just a minute. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. So here we use this caret symbol. So here this caret symbol, it indicates the beginning of the string. That is, it's referred as caret. Okay. So you can see here we have a string which is referred as hi, welcome to NLP, and it is stored in the text text. Okay, text variable, or okay, this text one. Okay, so we have r equal to re dot search. Okay, regex dot search. I'm trying to search this caret symbol along with this hi. So it means in the whole string, it is it this symbol it denotes that if any string or if any word we have specified, okay, along with this caret will give you the first position. Okay, it will refer the beginning of the string. Okay, not position, beginning of the string. For example, I have written as in the if loop, like for example, or I think we can just print the result. Okay, just let me print the R and just check. Okay, let me take it. Let me take this R from here and just print R symbol here. Okay, so we have a match. Okay, so the it came from here, but how do we have the match? Because this hi particular word is available inside the string at the beginning of the string. Okay, for example, let me use welcome here. Okay, the W is uppercase here, so you can see it will say as no match. Why? Because okay, because the welcome is the second word in this particular string. So along with the caret symbol and any text which is given here, it should be available at the beginning of the string. Okay, this is clear. This is done. Okay, let's come to this part. Okay, where we have asterisk symbol. So this asterisk is used to match a pattern. For example, I have a string here which is referred as hi, welcome to NLP. So I'm just storing that in a particular word, r equal to re dot search. Here I have given, I'm just in the double quotes, I'm trying to search NLP here. So I've given dot star NLP. So it means I want to find this NLP inside this particular this NLP pattern inside this. Okay, command text. So what it tries to do, it will try to match same if the particular, that is after dot star, whatever string you have given here, or whatever word you have given here, it tries to matches that inside your particular string. Okay, so for example, this NLP, it's available there, right? So we have a match. Okay, for example, if I just give a small p here and just check, okay, because this smaller case is not available here, so it returns no match for us. Okay, okay, let us come to the dollar symbol. This dollar symbol, it indicates the end of the string. Okay, I'm trying to search NLP with the dollar symbol, so this indicates that the word which I'm searching along with the dollar symbol should be available at the end of my string. For example, NLP is the end of the string, so that's why it gives us, we have a match. For example, the same thing, if I just give hi, so but we know that this I, okay, this I is not available at the end, it is available at the beginning, right? So you can see it will show you that we don't have a match. Okay, okay, it's clear. Okay, so we saw a caret symbol at the beginning, it's before the, that has to be applied before the particular word, and this, and to search a particular string inside the pattern, you will be going with dot star, that's the exact match. And to find a particular word, if it's at the end of the particular string, we just refer it as dollar symbol, that is a word accompanying the dollar symbol will find you the end of the particular string, it will search. Okay, okay, so here the same condition, we have combined all the symbols into this. So you can see here, hi, welcome to NLP and data science. I'm trying to search caret symbol hi. It means it should be at the beginning of my string. Dot data science should be there inside my whole string. Sorry, inside my whole string. And that data science which is available in the whole string should be at the end of my string. That's why dollar symbol. Okay, so this will give you, we have a match. For example, I'm trying to change this to NLP. Okay, now what will happen? Hi is available at the beginning of the string, and NLP is available here, but this NLP is not available at the end, because we are accompanying with the dollar symbol, so which dollar symbol says that it should be at the end, so we are supposed to get no match here because NLP is not at the end. Okay, okay, so next we will move on to the next one. Okay, so so you might be having, what are these symbols, right? So you can see here, these symbols, they are referred as meta characters. They're also reserved symbols used to assist in matching. Okay, so you have some sample of like bracket, caret symbol, dollar symbol, star. Okay, all these are some meta characters. Okay, so we were here. Okay, so we have done this. Okay, we are here. So now we have backslash s. So this backslash s. So previously we have seen with the caret symbol as they are meta characters. What is this slash s? Okay, this slash x, they all come under pattern matching or string matching. Based on that, we will try to match. Okay, so here I have given a, here I have compiled and I given a certain pattern matching. Okay, so once this notebook is shared, you can see all this and you can work out one by one. Mostly I've tried to cover all of them inside this notebook. Okay, so okay, so we were here. Okay, what is this backslash is? That is, we have two types. That is, one is backslash smaller case s and uppercase is s. This smaller case s is nothing but it is used to find the new line or the space character. Mostly we refer it as white space character. It means wherever there's a space in between. For example, see here, here I have given hi, welcome to NLP and data science in my text. So this space, right, this is what we are talking about. The white space character is nothing but the space given or in between those two words. Okay, so here we have given start. So like group, what is the start? Start function is returns the first index of the substring matched by a group. Okay, so let us compile this. You can see here, let me compile this. Okay, so what is the purpose of backslash s is used to find the white space. Okay, so or identify the word space. Okay, so since we are searching, right, so this is the first white space we have. We have the second white space here after welcome, and after third is after two, and fourth and fifth. Okay, so here the slashes. Okay, let us try to print this without the start, and you can just see what it shows. So here it 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 matches it, but it's in object form. You can see here it is printed in the single quotes here. Okay, because this is what it will be printing you, because it's the white space here. So to bring it uh, into a common expression, just add the function called start. So it will give you 2. So this is the index number 2. What is this index number 2? So you can see here, start function returns the first index of the substring. First index of the substring means, for example, here a capital letter H is considered to be the 0 index and I is considered to be the first index. And after that we have some space, right? This space is referred as the index 2. That's why the first space is referred as index 2 here. That's why it returns the value as 2. Similarly here, let's take another example. Text equal to hi, welcome to NLP and data science. Here I have not given any space. You can see here, right? There's no white space available here. So when I try to find the white space in between them, there's no white space. So it refers as null or none. Okay. Okay. Let's come to find all. This is the third function. So first we have seen match function. What does match functions do? Match functions uh, it is used to find or search the or match the first string in a particular string, and then we went for search. Search will be finding anywhere inside the string, and find all is also same, like similar to search, but the thing is, see here, it finds all the occurrence of given string, given pattern in a string. Okay, what about the search? It also finds the occurrence of a given string. It doesn't give all the occurrences. Okay, so for example, let's come here into text. See here I have a string as welcome to NLP, and NLP is easy to learn. Here I'm supposed to search the pattern called NLP inside this particular string. So this NLP, right, you can see it appears 2 times. So if you have applied, so we have applied find all here. Instead of find all, if you apply search, okay, you will get only one NLP, because it will just search the function, and how many number of times it will not, it won't print that, it will not print all the occurrences. Okay, so any number of occurrences is there, still it will print only once. Okay, but in find all you can see that it prints 2 times. So for example, same thing, the same expression I'll show you with the help of search function. You can see here, you can see it matches only NLP. So I'm supposed to give group here. So see, for this it printed only NLP here, because NLP is available there in this particular sentence or this particular string. I want to change this to find all. So when you're using find all, no need to using the no need to use this group function. So see, it printed 2 times because it will print the possible number of occurrences in the whole string. Okay, so there are 2 possibilities here, so it got printed here. So there is a difference between the search function and the match function. Okay, hope that is clear. Let us see a few more example. Same text, I have taken it here. Welcome to NLP, and NLP is not easy to learn. And instead of giving something like pattern equal to NLP, I have taken this pattern NLP and I am directly given inside this result equal to re dot find all. You can see this NLP I have substituted here in place of pattern. So it's up to, like, if you want to reduce one more line, if you want to learn when you're in learning stage, just go one by one. Once we are familiar with all these things, like you can replace directly inside it. It's just like a substitution, right? Just apply inside this. So it is the same result. Okay. Okay. Let us move on to the lowercase a to z. Okay. So a to z is nothing but ranging from a to z. Okay. So if I want to print a range of letters from a to certain this, so that you can specify that with the help of hyphen. So any characters from A to Z will be printed. Okay. So I have a text like A, B, C, D until Z. I have it inside this particular string. I'm trying to find the pattern and store it in R. So regular expression dot find all in double quotes. I'm expressing A to Z. Okay. So from ranging from, you can see from all the ranging from all this will be printed here. Okay, till A to Z. So this is a pattern, right? So this is the pattern. Always you will have the pattern, whatever pattern you want to match will be uh, inside this bracket as a first argument, and accompanying comma, you will have the original text has to be placed as a second argument here. Okay, so it's like same thing. See here, whatever you want to find, the NLP is the pattern which you want to find, so it will be given first inside the string, comma, whatever text will be given here. Okay, as a second argument. Okay, let us see one more example. Okay, we have a text like which refers as welcome to NLP, and NLP is not easy to learn. Okay, so if you want to execute, okay, here we have the same thing, regular expression dot find all. I'm trying to find from n to w. So you can see wherever we have those words ranging from n to w, all those will be printed. Okay. So after N, you have O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. So whatever letters you have, it will come. See, it will print O. Okay, it will print. Okay, it will print N. Okay, the smaller case N. Okay, okay. So why it didn't print? It was supposed to print also the caps N, right? But no. Why? Because here we are giving the range. It differs from the capital letters, right? You have a smaller case N and smaller case W. So in those ranges, it will be printed. If you want to print something from the uppercase, then you can change this to N to uppercase. So this is the combination. Okay, lowercase is a separate combination, uppercase is a separate combination. So now if you're given this, so now you can see that these two NLPs will be printed now. Okay, so you have a caps W because for welcome you have it, you have N, you have P. Okay, since L is it's out of this, right? It's not in this range. Okay, so it didn't print L for you, so otherwise it printed everything, right? Okay. Okay, same thing. Taking a string and finding this range, but with the help of if loop. So it's like if you want to practice, like to see whether it's matches or not matches. So from K to Z, you have this in this range. So we try to match it. If it's not in this range, it will not. It will not say that it's not in this. So it will not refer. So it will refer it as not matching. Okay. So apart from this, see here. We saw some ranges, right, from K to Z. So these ranges, they always come inside the certain bracket. Okay, you have the square bracket. So if you want to specify this, you can do that. And now let me take some examples like K comma L comma M. What is this? Instead of specifying a range, okay, I'm specifying certain alphabets here. Like I want only to print K, L, and M in from this particular string. Okay, giving some attention to a specific. So here I'm trying to print, and it does this matches. If you want to print the result, okay, you can try to print the result. Let's see. Okay, so it printers, okay, since it's inside this, so maybe you can hide this the whole thing, and if you just check it, then you'll get the output like you wanted to print L, K, and M. Okay, okay, and because it's calls inside the string, that's why you will not get the output here. But since okay, so if you want, let me change it. For example, let me use A here. Now you can see if I am using A here, the A is not inside this, right? So it's supposed to say that not matching. Okay, because you also have this L and M. So let me change this to B and see here. Now you can see here, because these combinations are not available here. If any, because these are individuals, right? So if any combination is available also, it gives you this. So if I change, keep it as M and just see. Okay, okay, since M is there inside this particular string, so it takes individual and matching. Okay. It's fine. Okay, so it has come to the next one, slash D. Here the slash D, it denotes digits. Okay, if you want to print a certain digit inside the particular string, then you can use it. For example, in text we have "Hi, welcome to NLP," and this is session 10. So here we have only 10 inside this old string. So how do you print it? Pattern equal to regular expression dot find all. So we have a digit pattern matching. Okay, so the pattern matching here, it is backslash D, which denotes digit. Okay, comma, whatever we wanted to search, we'll put in the first argument, and the next is the given argument. Okay, so given string is available here, so we put it, and here we have 10, so that is what it prints here, 10. Okay, individually it will be printed. Okay, okay, so now the same thing, backslash D, and what is this slash uppercase D is nothing but the opposite of this. So opposite of this means here in backslash D, you'll be getting 10, right? So what is the opposite of this? Means the text. So it will print the whole text. Okay, it's the opposite of that. So even it will take the white space into consideration. That's why you have it like this. Wherever you have a white space after welcome, also you can see there's a white space, so it will give you in the single quotes. Okay, so sometimes we'll be using R also inside pattern matching. So if you're using R, it means like it refers that the string is to be treated as a raw string. Okay, so which means all the escape codes will be ignored. All the escape codes means, for example, we have slash B slash N, okay, slash T. Okay, so in certain regular expression we'll be using that. So in that case, to ignore all those escape codes, we use R. For this example, it's not necessary, but to show you, like, so I'm using it here. Okay, so in text we have I was born in 1990. Okay, in pattern I have R, that is my raw string. In single quotes I have slash D. Here in this bracket, right, this curly bracket, I have given something called for here. So we know what is slash D. It indicates the digit. So you can see what is the digit here. The digit is a combination of so digit available, whatever the digit available here, it's a 4-digit number. Okay, so if you want to print a 4-digit number, you have to specifically specify the number of digits inside this. Since you wanted to print this, so I have given 4, and again I have stored that in the result and trying to print the result, so I got it like this. Okay, if you just wanted to print only 1999, then you can just give 3 here and try to print it here. It will print 119. So if you wanted to print only only one digit from the given string, okay, so this will be this is nothing but 1 is nothing but the default one. So default one means, like, for example, you can see here, so this is the 1. It will print you default 1. Okay, so this is, and that one is almost same, you'll have the same result. Okay, so okay, yes, you can see this one and this one is almost one same. So it should be more than 2, so that you'll have, because 1 means it will definitely take a simple combination. The whole thing will be considered as 1. So more than 1, so I'm just giving 2 here. It will print you the that combination. Since you have given 1, right, what it does, it takes the whole this thing as 1. Okay, okay, so here when I just give 2, it takes this 2 combinations. So when we give 3, there's no other combination inside that. That's why it prints this three combinations for you here. If you want to print, you want to print four, it will print this four combinations for you here as a single string. Okay. Okay, let us see a few more combinations. So in this text, I have my name is Jairaj and born on 13-10-1986, and my son is Aryan, born on 7-12-2022. So you can see these numbers are separated with the help of this hyphen, right? So how do you write this pattern? So I've given a raw string here in single quotes. Slash d we know because these are numerical values. So I've given slash d since it's a date format here, right? It's a day dd mm and yyyy, it's a date format. So in that pattern I'm just giving 2. So what happens when I give this 2 here? Okay, we saw that, right? It will take this combination of 2. That is what we have seen it here also, right? You can see here in the previous example in the for 1990, if you just give 2, what happened? It separated 1990 and it gave us like this: 19 as one string and 90 as one string. This is what we are trying to do. We have the same 13-10, same like this. Okay, so that's why I have given 2 here. So when I give 2, what will be printed? 13 will be printed. For the next digit 2, 10 will be printed. Since this is 4 combination, so I have given 4 combinations here. Okay, and when we try to print it, you will get like this. Since there is one more available here, the same pattern in this format it's also available here, so this will be printed. If for example, if I change this to instead of removing this hyphen, if I'm printing this, do you think this pattern will match? No, because here we have hyphen and here we have this number. So let's see what it shows. Okay, so this pattern doesn't match this. Okay, that's why it printed only the first date of birth. Okay, so this is done. Okay, let us move to the next one. Okay, so apart from this match, search and find all, we also have something called sub. Okay, so what is this sub? Okay, before going to sub, you can see what are the functions we had. We have seen match, search and find all. We also have sub. We also have something called split. Sub is nothing but is used to search and replace. If you want to replace one word with another word in a particular string, so we use sub. So let me come back to this place. Yes, okay. Sub is used to search and replace. So in the given string, I want to find the pattern. What pattern I want? I want to find the pattern called NLP. So I have NLP in this particular string, and I want to exchange another string as DS. Okay, DS. Okay, so in the resultant, I'm in place of find all previously. Now I'm using sub to substitute. Okay, I'll be giving the first argument as my pattern as usual. A second pattern we used to give text, but here since we are substituting, I'll give the second argument as exchange and third argument as text. I'll try to print this. So here you can see this NLP has been replaced by DS. Okay, let us come to the next one. Okay, the same thing. Okay, the same thing. Instead of allocating the patterns towards this certain words or some variables, you can't say it's variables. Okay, or even it's variables. I substitute it directly towards this. Okay, directly instead of place of pattern exchange. Okay, to make it more easier. Okay. Okay, what if I want to substitute some symbols? So okay, so I've taken a particular string. Welcome to NLP, and NLP is easy to learn. So slash s, you know, right, is to find the white space character, right? So if those empty space is what will be considered. Okay, so what I'm saying, I wanted to substitute those empty spaces with the hyphen. Okay, it's like in substitute means you're supposed to have three arguments, right? The pattern, what you want to exchange, and the text, given text. So here in this, wherever there's white space, I want to print it as hyphen. Sorry, not hyphen, underscore. So it got printed like this. Okay, the same thing. You can see the slash uppercase S is nothing but it is opposite of white space. It means it will print all the texts, all the words available inside the string. So I'm saying in those places I want those words I wanted to convert as at the rate symbol. So I've used it, and so you got this like this. Okay. Okay. So here, taking the same string, here I'm substituting the pattern and my exchange along with this text. I'm giving something has two here. Okay, two here, it indicates the position. Okay, for example, you can see here, this is the first white space character, sorry, white space. Okay, and this is the second white space. And this NLP and there's no white space because we have separated that with a comma. And this is a third white space, and fourth and fifth and sixth, like that. Okay, so when I just give two, you can see here. So the first two positions, okay, the first two white spaces characters will be um, replaced or substituted with the underscore. If you want to, if you just indicate 3, what happens? 3 will not come here, 3 will come here. After and, you can see here, let me run this. After and, you will be having a underscore here. Okay. Okay, so we have a string like hi dear, this is Jairaj, and we have a pattern which is inside this square bracket. Okay, so we have a white space character in the backslash s, which is used to find the white space character. We know that wherever we have the white space, it's like we don't have it here because we have separated it with comma, so it's a single word. And so when you run this, when you try to split it, right? So each of the whole string will be divided into substring, because since we are splitting it, each of them will become individual strings in this particular string. That's why here it cannot give you a white space, but here it is separated here with the comma, right, wherever there's a white space. Okay, so from here, let us go to the next one. Okay, okay, so here I am specifying, here I didn't specify comma here inside this bracket, so I'm specifying comma here along with this white space character. So what it will do, so it what it does, it finds the comma here inside this particular string, and after that comma it will give you a white space. So you can see here, so previously I didn't have white space here, right? I didn't have any space in between these two. Now I have a space in this between these two. Why? Because I have specified comma along with the white space character. Okay, next you can see, okay, in this particular text I have given hi dear hyphen, this is Cheryl. So instead of comma here, I have specified hyphen. So it matches that hyphen here, and the pattern will match, and it will provide the white space. So wherever you have that hyphen here, after that you have a white space. Okay. Now we have the string. Okay, like hi dear, this is Jiraj, and instead of putting that inside the bracket, what we are doing, see here. Okay, we are specifying directly as a string. So it means wherever there's a white space in this particular whole string has to be given it like this. Okay, so it means it will print as it is, but each of them there will be a considered as an individual. And okay, so when you give so it's okay, this is done. So when you give comma slash s, what it will match if comma is there or not. So you see if there is no match here, because this comma will be matched here, there's no comma matched here, so it means it will print the as it is. It will print as it is because this is what it is already available, right? Okay, it will take it as it is. Okay, so we have this one. So we have we're trying to split the white space here again inside this. So it means like what it does, along with the text, I'm giving the first position. It means like this is the first white character. So if I just specify 1, I'll have a space after this. It means this will be considered as my, this will only be considered as my first string. The other thing, the whole thing will be considered as my second string. If I just give, okay, so 1 means only the first white space character. Okay, so coming to slash a, the uppercase slash a. Okay, what is this? It matches the beginning of the string. So if you want to match the beginning of the string, the function we have seen here, we have seen that, right? That is match function. The whatever the match function does, right? The same thing this particular string is this particular meta characters will do for us. Okay. Okay, so here meta characters are this pattern matching, right? Okay, so here we have this text as hi, welcome to NLP. So I'm trying to use find all. Okay, so find all, it will find out whether hi is available inside the string. So since we are not using the match function, so I'm using this find all. So when you're using find all, I can use slash a. So slash a will find whether my hi is available there inside this. Okay, so when you okay, so let me execute this. So see, it's matching since hi is there. For example, if you just provide a space after this, it means what happens. So it considers the spacing also. It means here there should be a white space here. So if you just try to print this here, it will give you not matching because there is no space after this string here. So that will not be considered. So that's why we just give it like this and we try to print it. Okay. So what is same like slash uppercase here? You have slash uppercase z. It matches the end of the string. Okay. So this also we have seen it, right? Okay. So end of the string we would have used search function to find the end of the string. That particular word is there at. Okay, not search. Sorry. Um, okay okay, leave it, no problem. The search is not the that one. Okay, so to find the end of the string we will be using yes, we saw this meta character, right? Let me show this to you. A dollar symbol along with, let me show this to you. Yeah, along with the search. Okay, search function, we have seen this dollar symbol, right? See here, dollar symbol will it indicates the end of the string. So okay, with this symbol, so instead of that we are using backslash z. So you can see here backslash z. Okay, we use after the particular pattern here, and so it indicates the end of the string. Okay, so do you have the end of the string? It will indicate yes. For example, if you just want to give 2 here, 2 is not in the end of the string, right? It will not match for us. So either in this case you use the particular word along with the dollar symbol, or you use slashes, both are same. So in this case, either you use uppercase a, or we use the caret symbol high. Okay, it returns the same result. Okay, so we have done with that. Okay, so we have already seen this, right? What will happen to slashes? Okay, the previous example, if you have seen the slash s, right, when we have used the split. So what happened? It broke down our string into substrings and it gave us like this, right? Okay, it is with a split. The same slash white space character, if you want to use find all, so you can see here what happens. It tries to find wherever there is a white space character, because that is what find all will do, right? It will try to find all the possible occurrences in the particular string. So the possible occurrences are you can see here, wherever you have white space, those things will be given as single quotes and separated with a comma. This much of, so you can just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's supposed to be 8. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so no, this particular meta characters, right, for each functions they behave differently. Okay, this is what we are trying to learn. Okay, so opposite to this smaller case s is uppercase s, we know, right? So in place of other than this white spaces, whatever there is there, that will be printed. So you can see here, so it breaks down into like this. So each of them will again be broken down into um, smaller substrings, right? Okay, individual substrings. So till the session, even here, okay, okay, even this 10 by 2 will also be counted for you. You can see here, okay, 10/2 will also be taken into consideration. Okay, we have slash lowercase w, which we refer it as word character. What is this word character? It's nothing but it's a combination of A to Z. It is lowercase a to z, uppercase A to Z, 0 to 9. If you have any other underscore symbol, okay, or any alphanumeric characters, letters and numericals, okay. So here, you're trying to we are having a text which is referred as hi, welcome to NLP, and this is session 1. We're trying to find the word character inside the string. So see here, it doesn't matter whether you have uppercase and lowercase, everything will be taken into consideration, and along with the session 1 also, because right, session 1 will also be printed here. So each of them, they are taken as an individual substrings here. Okay, same opposite to this, what will be there? Opposite to this will be nothing but the white space, right? See, it printed a white space. That's why we have given as uppercase W. Okay, okay, so next is printing this one. Okay, so this is a different kind of pattern matching. Like we have WE, so it will find out whether I have this, because in find out it will find the number of possible occurrences, right? So if I give V, it will find out whether I have V, and these three dots are nothing but for LCO, whether it matches the same pattern here. So it printers, or at the end you just give ME, so it will print. Okay, for example, if you want to okay, let me add one more L, for example. In this case, okay, and you try to print this, let us see. Okay, because it doesn't match. Why? Because we have specified three dots here, and totally, since you added a new L, you're supposed to give one more dot towards this, sorry. Okay, so first two, let us, we have V, and the last ME we have it, and the missing values are, sorry, the missing alphabets are LLCO. So it means the 4. That's why I've specified 4 here. So if you just print the pattern, it will print. Okay. Okay, it's fine. Okay, let us come to the next one. We have something called star here. Okay, so star will contribute to 0 or more. Okay, it will find the pattern whatever what we give, right? For example, in this the whole particular string, okay, I'm trying to do find all, right, and save it in the R, sorry, in X. So when I just pass like AI star, okay, so it tries to find wherever AI is available in this, or whatever positions or wherever it is, it will try to find AI for you here in this. You can see AI is available here in this pane. In brain, it is available in this position, in this position, and this position. Okay, so it will try to match wherever you have AI. It will print everything. Okay, so if you have a direct AI also, okay, so how much AI you had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you will have one more extra one as 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is the purpose of using static. It doesn't matter whether the AI is, like for example, you have in the first position or this position, or second or third position, the combination. Okay, wherever it is, it has to match AI. It will match wherever in spite of the position, it will match and it will print for us. Okay, I have given the same thing. Same thing, see, because I told you, right? So here previously I had pain. I have even just given more pain. So now it's the AI is in the second word, not in the first word, right? But still, these two are referred as a single word, right? When try to find, it will only take AI from all this particular string and print for you. Okay. Apart from this, you can just see this one. We have then a new string like text equal to I like playing volleyball and basketball. So here And this curly bracket, right? You can see what is there in the curly bracket. Given this, I will list out this, right? It finds the exact number. Okay, so let us come back here. Okay, so I'm specifying something like AL. So it will find wherever I have AL inside this. So I have AL here and I have AL here. I want to print as one the exact number. So let me show you the result. Okay, so one is nothing but the same whatever you have, same thing, right? AL, it will be printed. For example, let me print let me print 0 here. You see this? So what is this now? It's the index position for you here. Okay, so when you have given AL, it will match AL here. Okay, in this AL. And now if when you've given 0, this A will be considered as the index number 0, that's a position, and it will print AA for you here. Okay, yeah, that will be considered as the index first position. So wherever you have A will be printed for you everywhere. And when you just give 1, okay, now the combination of AL will be printed. So previously it was combination of only A throughout the whole string. Now since you have given 1, now it will take the combinations of 0 and 1. Okay, so 1 is nothing but 0 and 1 together, AL combination. So wherever you have AL combinations, those will be printed here. Now if you just give 2 here, so all the 3 positions, right? 0, 1, 2. Okay, now you can see now it will print ALL for you. Okay, since we have 0, 1 and 2. Okay, AL along with the next position, right? Okay, 0 A is 0, L is 1. What is the next index position? It will be there. For example, if you don't have this, so it is not going to give you match. If you don't have anything after this, so you can just see here. So we don't have any match after that. Okay. Okay, so now you have same text. I like playing volleyball and basketball. I'm trying to find the range of okay, inside the square bucket, right? I'm trying to find the exact match of LOU inside this thing. Okay, so here we are not specifying a certain letters, right? We are not specifying it like this. Like I want to find LOU. Okay, so here I'm just specifying LOU. Is it there? I'm not using any meta characters, okay, here along with this particular string, right? I'm just giving inside bracket. So wherever you have LOU individually here in this, everything will be printed. Okay, we are not giving the exact um, this match of this string LOU. I'm not trying to find LOU inside this particular thing. That is the thing we have to understand. For example, if I'm doing it like this. LOU. So now it is nothing but finding LOU directly inside this. So now you can see here, okay, it will print no match for you. Okay, giving directly LOU is different, and giving inside a particular bracket is different. Okay, giving inside the bracket will find out this. Now it acts as an individual alphabet. So wherever you have LL, everything will be printed. See here, the first L is, you have it here, you have L, the next L you have it here, after that L you have O, because you have that format O. You don't have U here, so it's not printing U. So that's the difference between in bracket and without bracket. Without bracket will do the exact match, and within the bracket will be considered as a single characters and following search inside this. Okay, so when you give a character symbol along with LOU, so it is going to be like it's going to print mm, So with the caret symbol, what it will do, it will find the beginning of the string, right? Whatever you have, right? Okay. Similarly, that here now, since you are inside this bracket, so it will match. It will try to find wherever you have LOU at the beginning. Okay. So for example, see here, and for example, and I think it's going to print the opposite of this. Whatever you got it right. You can see here, got this LOU right. So it matched LOU, whatever it is there. What is left here, you can see here, this capital I was not there, but when you give this caret symbol, right, it's going to act as opposite. And now you have this opposite of that. See, whatever it was not available here, you will have it here. So even the white space character will also be visible for you here. Okay, this we know, right? We know that from A to I, we have seen this, right? That A to I, the range of this will be printed. We have seen this here, right? Where is this? A to, okay, it's from alphabets from A to Z. Okay, it's fine. So let us see this. So inside the bracket, I'm trying to print from the range A to I, and from this string, so it is printed here. Similarly, okay, inside this bracket, I'm trying to find if I have 0, 1, 6 inside individually, is it available inside this? So I'm trying to print it like this. Okay, okay, and this is a little bit tricky here. When I have two lists inside here, right? Like two array, okay, array format, square brackets. So here my contact number is this and alternate number is this. I'm trying to find all from here. So see here how this works is like, see, here this will take two combinations from each of this. For example, let us take combinations. Let us do the first combination here. We'll take one number from 0 to 5 range. For example, let me take 0 from this square bracket, and from this particular array, let me take see, from 6 to 9, let me take 0, 6. Okay, it means I'm taking 6 and taking 0. This is one combination. So system will check whether I have this 0 combination, 0, 6 combination inside this or not. If it's there, it will print for me. What is the next combination? Let us go for 1 in between 0 to 5. The next combination, you have 6 itself, right? So you can keep 6. So what is the other combination available here? And in this you have 17, so you have 18, you have 19. So this much of combinations will be there. It will check whether those combinations are they available here like this. Okay, so it tries to search, and you can see here 0, 6 is available here. So the first 0 should be coming from this particular square box, sorry, from this square, okay, the square bracket, and this 6 should come from the second digit should come inside from this particular range. Okay, similarly here also, see, we don't have 80. Why? Because 8 doesn't come inside this range, and 0 doesn't also comes from the range. So next is we will check for 0, 5. 0, 5, 0, 5, both of them, they come inside this range. Next you can see 56. 5 comes inside this range and 6 comes in this range. That's why we have printed it here. Okay, you have something called 2, 9. 2, it comes from this particular bracket, and 9 also it comes from this bracket. So that's why 2, 9 is printed. Okay, hope this is clear, right? Okay. Okay, so this part is not necessary, just to show you that it matches or not match. That's why we are using this one. Okay, let's come to the next one. Okay, so here the same thing, we have a contact number and we are trying to print uh, this another combination. So previously we have seen something like this, right? Okay, from A to Z range, we also have this both combinations, uppercase and lowercase together. If you want to print, we use this type of pattern matching. Okay, okay, so what is this plus inside this bracket? It will find wherever there's a plus, okay, that it will find that exact match. It will print for you here. In bracket I have given a plus symbol, so here in this you have two plus symbols, so those two will be printed for you. Okay, so here along with the plus symbol I have given a minus symbol here. So wherever there's a minus symbol inside this, that will also be considered as this. So like I told you, this plus and minus here, okay, whatever you give it here, all of them, they are going to act as an individual, right? Remember this LOU, you can see here, this is the best example. See, LOU, it will not take the whole string, the whole word, and not find it in this. Since it's in the bracket, each of them, they will be considered as independent alphabets, and will be done. Similarly here also, since you have given plus minus, so it will find out wherever there's a plus. If it's plus is there, it will put plus. If it's a minus is there, minus. Okay. Okay, so I think with this, let us end this session. Okay, this will be the end of this video.